Stay over here, Bryce. Come here. Bryce, come here. Come back here, buddy. Come here.
Mom, my shirt is wet.
It's okay.
Need to wash it.
Come here. It's okay.
It is.
Come here, Bryce. Come here, buddy. Hey, you're just getting wet. Come here.
It's gonna dry in the drain. This is going
Come
to
here.
dry in the drain.
You feel it on your hands? Can you feel it?
Oh no, he made that. Yay, muddy puddles! These are called muddy puddles.
Muddy puddles? Uh-huh.
Hey!
Leave your hood on, sweetie. Come back. It's okay. Come back here. Stay over here. You guys are silly. We're going to have to go in. You're getting too wet. Come on. Come over here. Let me take a picture. You guys are so funny.
No, 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 no! No!
All right. Leave him alone.